Hello, model car fans. Welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. If you like my content, please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to my channel. In this episode, we're going to be doing some build ideas for the 1968 and a 1969 Cadillac. So let's go ahead and get into the kits. I have two kits, a 1968 Cadillac convertible and a 1969 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. I have my thought process on the way I want to go with these builds, but I'm going to ask for your comments, so please leave them in the comment section on what you think I should do with these two kits. So let's go ahead and open them up and see exactly what I'm dealing with. Here we have the 1968 convertible. So let me get it unwrapped here. This is the Johan dealer promo model, modeled in red with a off-white interior. Pretty good shape, not perfect, but very respectable. It's complete. Model's got some issues. Nothing that cannot be fixed. That's the beauty of model building. You can always redo something. So, as we look around, the paint is old and tired. The interior, same thing, old and tired. The lines are crisp, and all the parts are here, so that's what's important to me. I'd originally thought about doing this car as the kind of the boss man or the 68 model kit. I always have a passion for the TV and movie car models and kit builds, and I originally thought of doing this as Boss Hogg from the Dukes of Hazzard as his convertible. The white on white, that he'd have Roscoe drive him around, or Enos, or the Duke boys, during the TV series The Dukes of Hazzard. While this car is not correct for the year, it was going to make a suitable stand-in for the build, in my thought process. Here's a look at the wheels. The chrome on the front bumper is cracked and peeling. Again, something that doesn't necessarily mean I can't use it, but when I came across this next kit, I was like, well, I'm going to stick this to the side and think about how I want to go. Here's the 69 Cadillac by Deco Car Company, and this is a really nice kit. A little on the expensive side, and, I'm okay with that, because I build for my enjoyment, So some people might say, oh, yeah, you're nuts, spending that much money on a kit. But that's okay. It is a really nice kit. So let's look at what we have here. Front glass marked, in a felt tip marker, and the back glass, very clear and good looking. One piece curbside kit, screw bottom. Good detailing, thick, rigid plastic, with Deco Car Company embossed into the inner workings of the floor pan. When I originally purchased this kit, I was thinking about cutting it off, or cutting off the top and making it Boss Hogg's car. But I don't know which way I want to go with that. Do I use the 68 as the boss man, like the model kit, instead of the dealer promo, or do I cut this model up? Great looking interior dash, and the taillight inserts in clear rosin, or clear red rosin. Let's see here. These are the bumpers. We'll leave them wrapped up right now. Let's go ahead and get the body unwrapped here. good looking kit. I'm really pleased. And this is a more correct body style for the Dukes of Hazzard Boss Hog Cadillac. But I just don't know if I can bring myself to cutting the top off. Nice front bench seat. Good detail on the back seat and the interior tub. But I guess what I'm asking is, please leave me your thoughts and comments. Should I cut the top off this car and make them both convertibles? Or should I do one as a coupe and one as a convertible? Give me your thoughts. And let me know, if you were going to leave it as a coupe, what your color choice would be. If I leave it as a coupe, I know my color palette. If I go as a convertible, I know that should be a white, car to match Boss Hog's convertible. Pretty straightforward there. But let me know what your thoughts are. Black, blue, silver, red, whatever you think, leave it in the comment section below. This is a really clean casting. Let's get them both side by side. Little squeaky tires there. Coming into the new year, I want to thank everybody who's liked and subscribed to my channel and left comments this past year. Please continue to do so, and I'll answer hopefully in a timely fashion. I appreciate the interaction, and thank you for watching and taking the time to comment on my videos. Have a safe and blessed day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief, and I'll let you know on the next video what I decide to do. Take care.